pa Dr. Bawumia mabwa bedu no ba ene so no awon keka ne nkomo no etesen afi chairman kra no wo ma hunu ana
na odi kan tu afepo yi no ona bo Wuntumi ene kwedo ya bono se Nsawam ye fie 20 years wane ekukuta ma ho kan ewo edikan aba Nsawam prison in Bawumia aba be hwe omondesie Wuntumi nemu ma mi teso ni pa abia video film hanom Dr. Bawumia honorable Fredplay and so our hanom honorable afternoon marking our minority leader on our hanom we look at mampum LP ora amprichon also our hanom we free and me is now party executive besides Nsawam so executive anything omabo from pa hanoma almost kwakoshe chairman Wuntumi the kasa president Dr. Bawumia and no afternoon marking party chairman or human temper the insider in prepare PMIM you want to change Wuntumi no near almost can call ya who buy say the papa pay and over Denya ubi every ako ebidi ubu fresh na wote wafaya umuka na so motion TV musicada ni TV mu no ba say security and very tight and no TV and jump on ibia ma afọ share sendia tibiano echi ewa ham but prepare no ka say Dr. Bawumia onobo afi no mark ni ekukudama kabe wo mu PPD inside su omnipa honorable can say LPP chairman or work Kumasi Egusu Eshen TBM Minister out.
Emian Madafo and then ya frame Wabaha near Pese Ghana near Mansen who said and then Jaja or Chancy I would Ashanti Regional Chairman Bernard Ntribosi akwa semno atemu a odi aba no atemu a achia na amaye nyina ya hu se sabi amayosem na atemu afo no woye dia awra wona se yadutum se Ghana emra na ese ye adwuma na so emra no nkyerɛ sɛ bi obubu aten na achia me nka wasem
oh god
asem a ɛda court na nim enne court ni buaye no le tenten ni tetia ene sɛ obia no wo a owo prosecution ho attorney general office ho etimi ka asem ema no to asum sɛ chema Wuntumi sɛ bi no ni nkrata sɛ obetu sabi gold ya sase so eno enya ade a court no edi achinie enti a kyerese chema Wuntumi no okrata e man ho kwan sɛ obetu efom agudie asama court no eka ene sɛ omu gina so a omu de chema Wuntumi akɔtwe aban kokom ne sɛ omu sɛ chema Wuntumi krata na okra na emremu no ho kwan sɛ obekra sa krata no or the sakrata no ama obi se onfa nkoye adwuma abra lance minister ama approval sabi enche se Wuntumi okoye galamse efi se title na ekura no na emramu na edimu boni aban ne kasowaye ne se o se chema Wuntumi de ne krata ama obi akoye adwuma aban na mprenso na so court no prosecution na ntman kire preference ampa adanse o kyerese chema Wuntumi de ne krata na sase ama obi se ofa nkoye adwuma aban no ampene so prosecution no omantima ankyerem judge wodi asem no ese amu ba ye be di adanse na asem o mkaye no eno no do tunsieni a ogina so a o kase chema Wuntumi edifo eno ne mmem ye kan circumstantial evidence na so prove beyond reasonable doubt a back criminal prosecutioner ese prosecution na se court na edigina so ka asem no obi asem akaka ye enu nti na judge na gina so a o ka so de chairman Wuntumi akoto aban no kukum ye MPP party no de ka ne se o man pani mahama se o wo pepapa se bi illegal mine e friend galamsey no obeko ho na so betu ho esa ene wa ban mu enkofo bebre wo ma wa okwa oji tum se omoto na so omo ye galamsey o ma pene de Ghana fo busa ne se sa asem no akosi sen o party fo no na omo ye no ehu asem no akosi sen na kwakoye se o ma pene ni NDC awon haria asem bi efa opposition fo no omo ede kro na so omo tu ho asa no ene sa awon hari ni bi ena asem fa NDC fo ho a omo tu sa asa ego for the petition come ayoko efa NDC or national organizer you save your me ho ene omo vice chairman Abanga Yakubu ho se omo ye galamsey omo pani ni NDC fo ebusa mo se asem no akosi sen uye no fru a NDC mra so bejanyi owo afa no south east your friend Mohammed Yakubu ohene bi pam no free na hemfie enam se oye galamsey hu no yebuso man pani se akosi sen oba awowin MP or NDC MP or friend Honorable Oscar Ofori-Labi eko bi friend Ghana Coalition Against Galamsey ese papa no oye galamsey yebuso man pani ni NDC fo ne se sa no ma ne nyina no akwa akosi sen before sa akonya we so maka cho man pani se esem ehia Ghana fo hwe se obetu hu sa no ena hu sa na otu na emom no opponent ena wa na adwen se obetu nani ade asi wo so cocoa farmers po esu sabi enche ye ena nso eyi fa amanfo omo nkran ha ena regents ni bi aka o ma pani ka wodi a wodi prosecute opponents no kasa wodi ni bi no fa ko hye sa ntokwa we mu se be ya flat no sem no ejin sem wo mem ha na de me ka ko wie ne se me share titafo me hye mo boss MPP chairman Wuntumi enja ne mu me ka che mo se sebi ene ehia no MPP legal team for no ya ka che mo se omo file appeal no mo challenge decision a judge no edi aba na me wie no me pese wiasem nyina ati ase se chairman Wuntumi abanko koma de da kotwe no eya mayonsem sebi enya boni bi no akwakoye oye political prisoner amayonsem ti enya de na kotwe abanko kuom eya mayonsem ti ana NDC aban ena kotwe abanko kuom na yakopo oti ase no eni se PRIS0N no kre eba bededi media mu nyina amase. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our considered view that Chairman Wuntumi has been convicted in circumstances where there was no evidence at all to support a conviction in respect of the offense for which he has been convicted. It was never disputed that Chairman Wuntumi lawfully acquired his mineral concession. It was never disputed that he lawfully acquired his mineral concession. That fact was established and accepted before the court. The central question was whether that concession had been assigned or transferred in violation of the law. It is our respected view that no evidence was adduced before the court establishing any such assignment or transfer of mineral rights by Chairman Wuntumi. The prosecution could not produce any evidence to show that Wuntumi had assigned his mineral rights. Instead, the conviction rested on assumptions and inferences which, in our view, could not amount to proof beyond reasonable doubt. That is why we firmly believe that his conviction is a travesty of justice and has to be overturned on appeal. Fellow Ghanaians, equally disturbing is the broader context within which this prosecution has taken place. A troubling pattern is emerging in our country, a pattern where the government appears eager to shield its own while relentlessly pursuing perceived political opponents who have done no wrong. Today, the John Mahama-led NDC government may seek to celebrate this conviction as evidence of its commitment to fight against illegal mining. Where there is evidence of galamsey on a large scale engaged and supervised by leading members of John Mahama's government, we reject that narrative entirely. And I repeat, the New Patriotic Party rejects that narrative entirely. They think that the conviction of Chairman Wuntumi will be the trophy to appease the Ghanaian people for their failures. This is no trophy. The Ghanaian people cannot fail to notice that while the political opponents who have done no wrong are being aggressively persecuted, questions remain unanswered regarding individuals associated with his government, with his party and government who have themselves been publicly linked to illegal mining activities. Indeed, the president himself has acknowledged that persons in his administration are involved in galamsey. What concrete action has followed those admissions? Who are those members of the president's party that are engaged in galamsey of which the president knows of? What has become of the petition submitted to Economic and Organized Crime Office, IOCO, seeking an investigation into allegations concerning Mr. Joseph Yamin, the NDC national organizer, and Abanga Yakubu, vice chairman of the NDC? We are asking these questions. Mr. President, what has become of those investigations? What has happened to Honorable Mohammed Yakubu, NDC MP for Ahafo North South, Ahafo North Southeast, and his DC, who was sacked from a chief's palace after they alleged that he was heavily involved in galamsey in their traditional area? What happened to the NDC MP for Aworin, Honorable Oscar Ofori Labi, who was accused by the chiefs and the people of Aworin, as well as Ghana's coalition against galamsey, for engaging in galamsey? Why has the nation not witnessed the same level of urgency and determinations in those matters? Justice cannot be selective.